Hi, and welcome back to the channel. Honda, for decades, that name has been the gold standard for bulletproof engineering, the kind of bike you buy because you want a machine that will outlive you. But right now, that legacy is facing its greatest threat as a quiet storm brews around the CB1000 with whispers of engine failures, massive recall operations, and a mysterious mechanical culprit that's turning high-performance engines into expensive paperweights. To understand why these engines are failing, we have to look at the impossible box manufacturers are trapped in, squeezed between strict emission standards and the relentless demand for more power. This led Honda to push the CB1000 Hornet SP engine to the limit by declaring war on friction, using low-tension piston rings, which are significantly flimsier, sometimes showing a 41% reduction in tension compared to the over-engineered designs of the 90s, leaving the engine with zero margin for error. These loose rings are the very reason modern bikes burn more oil than older models. But the real smoking gun is a phenomenon called back torque. Imagine screaming down a straightaway and banging down two gears for a sharp corner, causing the rear wheel to drive the engine and creating a violent pressure spike inside the cylinder. In an old-school engine, those stiff rings would hold firm, but in this modern setup, the low-tension rings lack the rigidity to maintain contact, causing them to flutter or collapse, and allowing the seal to simply vanish. Once that seal breaks, the rings can no longer scrape oil back down, allowing it to flood the combustion chamber where it's burned off until the engine hits a terminal level of oil starvation and seizes. Honda is moving cautiously, offering free oil changes as a temporary band-aid, but their actions in converting storage centers into dedicated engine workshops suggest they are preparing for a logistical war to save their reputation.